hide your friends list on Facebook, first open the app. Click the menu button on the lower right corner of your screen. Then click Settings and Privacy. Click Settings. Scroll down to find Audience and Visibility. Then click How people find and contact you. Here, you will see different options including the Who can see your friends list. Change it to Only me if you want it to be private. There are also other options if that is what you want. Then, there you have it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.